OpenAI's Canva, which is more of a tool that's been used for, I would consider like a competitor, like Replit. Basically, OpenAI was good for a lot of things, but they're honing in on being able to write code and be better collaboration on code. So talk to me about that.
Yeah, I think the canvas, I think it's starting out with ability to generate content more interactively, right? Coding is one type of content, and in this clip, they're showing how you can actually create an article, right, in a very interactive manner. And there's basically tools. Again, a lot of these are layering on top of the summarization or content generation in a more detailed level, right? I customize this heading so that a 5-year-old can understand, or reformat this particular paragraph so high schoolers can. You get what they're doing here, right? I think they're layering on top of it to experiment to see how people like it, and it's very interesting, and it's very useful in some cases, especially when it comes to coding. I think they had this where you can conduct a code review, or you can just select portions where you can generate comments and things like that, right? I think this is exciting.
So is this like a Copilot for your coding? What is the company? I mean, we have Microsoft, but where coders use it instead of going
GitHub. I think GitHub has a Copilot. Yeah.
So it is similar to that, but a little bit more advanced, because not only can you write code, it can help you debug it. It's almost having a trained programmer on your side helping you as you if you have any visions of creating code. You don't even have to know how to code, and if you're a coder now, you can be 10x coder with a helper on the side helping you with. Because I remember a long time back when I did coding, one of the things I really didn't care for was putting all the comments and making it pretty for other people to read, right? So
even now, nobody likes it, right? It's just one of those documentation jobs, or that's what I'm saying. Even in coding, right? There's jobs like documentation, or even creating unit test cases. Like developers don't write. They don't write unit test cases. Everybody gets it throw it to the QA, and they are trying to find other things. So a lot of these things can be automated away. Hopefully, again, it's still early days. I don't think this does a Teams type of work. Collaboratively, I think it's more if you're in front of it, you can start playing with it, extract information, paste it to your stuff. I don't think it is ready for like an IDE, like a Visual Studio type of environment, right?
Got it.
But even that's where Microsoft is trying to bring all of that into the development environment, because there's more to it than just single page of code. So a lot more things are getting probably stitched away slowly.